Hi everyone! Happy New Year! I'm going to kickstart this new year with a new showcase video where I feature a gorgeous handcrafted white series diamond ring in 18K yellow gold. This diamond right here, which most of you guys are familiar with, is our new white series Decagon with 10 hearts and arrows and 111 facets. Paired with a custom-tailored Petite Series ring setting together with a wedding band also in our Petite Series collection. I'm going to show you what a perfect and sweet combination this is. Stay tuned for our next few highlights. I'm currently holding this Decagon ring right now under white light, which you can usually see in offices and homes. Just look at how the Decagon looks with its 10 crisp, contrasting arrows. It's truly accentuating its pure white brilliance, even under these various tilt angles. Its outer band is lined with custom Decagon melees, where its 111 exacting facets are all excruciatingly hand-cut with the highest precision. Each gentle rock gives off these intense white brilliance which fully accentuates your main Decagon diamond. They are lined in a unique setting style which differs from the usual uniform pave style. The Decagon melees are individually mounted strikingly without straying too far away from the classic pave bands. This Petite Series ring is handcrafted in a mixture of 18K white and yellow gold. The majority in yellow gold, as this is the most flattering for a client's skin tone. What makes this Petite Series ring design different from the rest is its unique elevated look, which delicately elevates your Decagon without it appearing unnaturally set higher. Taking it a step further with the onset of these Decagon melees gracefully extending up towards your main diamond. An exceptional look even from its side profile. Without drawing away attention from your main diamond, look how effortlessly elegant this custom ring is. I'm going to show you more of its delicate and refined side profile paired with its very own custom wedding band. When worn together, just look how precise they flush against one another. Where the elevated side profile of your Decagon ring is naturally higher set to create a seamless stacking effect. Notice how the melee Decagons are placed on the wedding band? It's expertly positioned to showcase both rings remarkably together. This requires the work of our designers to fully conceptualize them working hand in hand with our master crafters in Hong Kong. This is under mixed LED lights, commonly seen in shopping malls, restaurants, jewelry stores, which showcases how truly tantalizing your Decagon diamond ring is. Unmatched in every other way, each slight movement produces a series of alluring, sharp bold flashes of fire, bound to draw attention. Its outer band is lined with custom Decagon melees where each tilt is designed to give off these intense flashes of fire. Most of you may have these Decagon melees in your ring too, and they are actually 1.6 mm each. Just imagine how detailed and precise our master diamond cutter is, allowing your main Decagon to be paired with these high light performance Decagon melees. Under LED lights as well, but this is something a little more special because I'll be able to have the light source gravitated in different angles that mimic the movement of our hands. And also, this is what you will generally see in dark ballrooms too. Look at how flawlessly this Decagon is created, where each movement brings about a symphony of brilliant light display. It's far more eye-catching. Under such intensified lights, mostly in ballrooms, your Decagon ring is bound to elicit strong and bold white flashes of fire. In gravitating angles, notice how the edges of the Decagon lights up, making your Decagon ring much fuller and larger. With no artificial lights now, under cloudy shaded daylight, this is where the wearer gets to appreciate a soft white brilliance. A mixture of contrast and brightness. Its sleek knife-edge outer band is much more apparent here, showcasing a minimalist ring, yet it's so intricately designed at its side profile. I'm under the hot afternoon sun right now, and unlike strong white glares, this is where I get to see colorful yet heightened flashes of fire. This custom band with Decagon melees is further intensified under sunlight, and its knife-edge band creates a distinct yet contrasting look without straying too far away from an elegant and classic appearance. Even a distance away, the Decagon diamond presents a flawless and captivating look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little showcase of our petite series design paired with a stackable wedding band. This petite series design was specially created to retain a classic appeal, nothing too over the top for classic lovers, while allowing a distinct and unique look for your once-in-a-lifetime engagement ring. For more, do follow us on Instagram if you'd like to see more unique designs coming right up next.